stuttering issue on PC. Subnautica 2 stutter fix. 1. Restart your PC, close Subnautica 2 completely, restart your computer normally, launch the game again afterward. Then 2. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use clean installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. Lower in-game graphics settings. Reduce texture and shadow quality. Disable motion blur and ray tracing. Lower render distance for smoother gameplay. HEDA 4. Enable high performance mode. Open Windows power options. Select high performance mode. Restart the game afterward. 5. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close OBS, browsers, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 6. Verify game files. Open Steam or Xbox app. Go to Subnautica 2 Properties, Manage. Click Verify and repair game files. 7. 7. Install latest Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all pending updates. Restart your PC after installation. 8. Move the game to SSD. Install Subnautica 2 on SSD instead of HDD. Improve texture loading and performance. Reduce lag spikes and stuttering issues. 9. Clear shader cache. Open GPU control panel settings. Delete DirectX, OpenGL shader cache files. Restart your PC afterward. 10. Limit FPS for stable performance. Enable VSync or FPS cap in settings. Set FPS limit according to monitor refresh rate. Reduce sudden FPS drops and micro stutters.